Today I'm going to show you how I use cloudHQ's Email List Builder app to create a formal contact list of all of my colleagues and clients within my Gmail inbox. First, I'll need to install Email List Builder by cloudHQ from the Google Chrome Web Store, like so. Now in my Gmail inbox, I'm going to click the new Email List Builder button that I'll find at the top of my window. Next, I'll scroll down and click the Create Spreadsheet with My Contacts button. The Email List Builder is now creating a spreadsheet for me of all my Gmail contacts. It'll run in the background, and when it's finished creating my spreadsheet, I'll get an email from cloudHQ letting me know it's ready. I can click here to open it. Great! Now I have an up-to-date contact list spreadsheet of anyone I've ever exchanged emails with in the past. And their contact information has also been enriched with other online data that cloudHQ was able to find for me. I can now use this contact list to make sure that all my colleagues and clients receive my marketing email in time for my 4th of July holiday sale. cloudHQ, helping your productivity one click at a time. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button if you want to know about all the latest apps that make you more productive at work.